Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how to create a perfect winged look. But before I get to that, I really want to say I hope everyone's staying safe and healthy. It's during these chaotic times that we really need to focus on what's important. And what is important is that we need to start caring for one another and starting to love each other equally. I really hope everyone's staying safe. And with that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and let's dive right into it. Before I get started, I just want to say that the techniques that are going to be used in this video can be applied to any type of liner, whether it be gel, liquid, or pencil. So I'm going to be using a liquid liner, but this one's more of a pen, and I highly recommend these types of liners for beginners because they're super easy to work with. The key to having a perfect wing liner is that you want the liner to start off small in the inner corner of your eye and then gradually get thicker on the way out. So what I like to do first is I like to stamp the liner as close as I can to the top of my lashes. By stamping the liner like that, it creates an initial base for your actual wing, and as you can see, it's a perfect start to what we're going to do. And again, I'm gonna do the same thing on the other side of my eye. Woohoo! Both sides are done. So what I like to do personally is I like to look at the bottom of my eye and picture where it would go if it were to continue. So that's what I'm going to do with the liners. So I'm gonna take my liner and then I'm just going to follow through. So this right here is gonna be the bottom of the wing, and I'm just gonna do the same thing to the other side. So do keep in mind, the farther you go out, the thicker the wing is going to be. Next, I'm going to take my liner and go to the top of the wing that we just created, close our eye, and then swipe down to the middle of our eye, and then we're going to fill that in. So if it is uneven like that, we're just going to correct that. Woo, look at the wing. Alright, I'm going to do the same thing to the other side. What's the most critical part about this whole process is that you have to look in the mirror directly head on and make sure these bad boys are even, because if you have an uneven wing, you're going to get called out by me. If your wings are a little bit uneven, just take a little bit of concealer and clean it up. And there we have it, perfect looking wings. I'm gonna pop a little bit mascara on and then we're done. We done. Yay! Thank you guys so much for watching. I really had fun doing this today. I really hope you guys enjoyed today's liner tutorial. And if you guys had the same results as I did, where it turned out A1, please snap me a photo and then I'm gonna post it on my Instagram for everyone to see. So please let me know. If you haven't already, please like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next week for another video. Love you guys. Bye.